Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check MacBook Pro cycle count. Alright, so let's jump right into this video. So we're gonna have to go to the Windows Mac or Apple logo, click on this, and then let's click on about this MacBook. And then here we can see this MacBook, and then we can click on more info. And then here we can scroll all the way down to system report, click on system report, and then we're gonna have to go to power, and here in power we can see cycle count. Alright, so I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. And if you have any questions, suggestions for the next tutorial, let me know in the comment section, and take care.